I often see patients who've really struggled with their symptoms for months and months, and sometimes years and years. Actually, I say to those patients, come and see me, come and find out whether there is something that we can do. I want my patients to live well and breathe well and do things that they want to do. Go to the gym, go to the park, run around after your children. If your child is coughing after they're running around in the winter or having prolonged coughs after viruses, that might be the sign that actually, could there be something we could do about it so that it's not interfering with your lives? And when we provide them with the right treatment for them, it's wonderful when I see them and follow them up, for me to hear that actually they're back doing the things that they love to do.